Today, you have joined me for the episodic series known as Brian's Belief. I will be talking about dogs. I thought because I am now on the run from a cartel, that seems fitting. The events of the last episode have left me stranded in the desert, and I think this is a perfect time to talk about the history of our favorite fur babies. The dog, which was my nickname in college. Wild times. Wild times. It's a domesticated version of a wolf. Dog was the first species to be domesticated by humans. That's us, if you didn't know. And we domesticated them. They've been bred for many purposes. My 7-year-old Cuban doctor knows a thing or two about dog breeding. He says I can't say much more, though. The dog is very different from the wolf, which is my grad school name. Wow. Anyway, they are very different from each other. Wolves have an upturning tail, so, as you can see, pretty different. Dogs are said to have been domesticated in Siberia. In the desert I'm now in, Siberia seems like a dream. There are not many dogs or wolves out here besides me, of course. There are coyotes, however. I was never called a coyote, sadly. My 7-year-old Cuban doctor, however, had an uncle that was a coyote. There are also some bears out here too, I think. I hear some strange noises at night. Heat stroke is something too. Too bad that the life of Mars cannot perpetuate insanity. Sweet may stay.